morning from the Magic Kingdom. Right now, the wait times are not bad at all. In fact, I'm wondering why I even have early morning fast passes, because Splash is like a 15-minute wait, and I have a fast pass right now. Big Thunder is also 15. Is the annual pass holder line? Yeah, it is short. Nobody's over here. I'm gonna go over here. Ah, gotta love this sign. Gotta love this sign.
Joining us on Main Street, USA. And from all of us here in the Magic Kingdom, we hope to see you again real soon.
Clang, clang, clang with the trolley. Ding, ding, ding with the bell. Sing.
By the time I get over to Frontierland, Big Thunder went from a 20-minute wait to a 50-minute wait. So I guess we're first thing using our Splash Mountain Fast Pass. Gonna get wet in the morning, but you know what? The way I see it, get wet first, dry up the rest of the day. When I come solo, they always put me in the front row. I don't know why, but they just do. Oh boy, already getting wet. We haven't even hit a real drop yet.
Turn it around. He's looking
Light at the end of the tunnel. How we look, good?
That's what you
Doing okay, doing okay. Makeup's still on, that's all that matters. Holy moly guys, Carousel is completely covered. I guess they're doing some work on the outside of it, but I'm not gonna lie, it's like a serious eyesore. That sucks. Because it's such a beautiful carousel, you know?
And passengers who do not
FYI, this is what a 75-minute wait looks like. Starts about here.
I thought their right time was like an hour and 20 minutes.
What 105 minutes looks like out the door. That is crazy, crazy time. But it is almost noon, so I think all the late risers finally made it to the park. Just got into Liberty Tree Tavern. I'm going a la carte because I'm allergic to red meat, and there's a lot of red meat on that menu, that all-you-can-eat menu, so I gotta stay away from that. I'm in the Thomas Jefferson room. Okay, so going a la carte, since the bill of fare is a lot of red meat, can't do that. So I'm thinking the freedom pasta with the shrimp or the salad. and I've heard great things about the Boston cream pie, but I do love toffee, but I'm definitely getting a dessert for sure. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there or for the entree, but I guess we'll find out. Getting myself an Angry Orchard. I'm a big fan. Angry Orchard when I don't want a heavy beer. That is what I'll drink. Really good if you like ciders. There's some, pretty much my favorite cider, I think. And I've had a lot of ciders living in New York. We get a lot of stuff. You know, a lot of bars, but hands down, this has been my favorite brand. So just pour that all in there. And there we go. Cheers to me and to you watching. Okay guys, and here is the pasta with shrimp, because I love shrimp. We're gonna take a taste. It basically looks like their macaroni and cheese pasta, except it's like in a different sauce. With some shrimp in it. It's hot. It's really good. And this is coming from someone who eats quite a bit of Italian at home, gets some pretty good Italian in New York, because we have a very big Italian population. This is really good. You can also get this with chicken as well, or I think just alone, if you want it just alone. But so far I feel like I made a really good choice. Alright guys, I'm slowing down. That's only because I want to leave room for dessert. It is really good though. It has like tomato and artichoke, spinach, shrimp, pasta, delicious. But I need to make room for dessert. I'm going to leave that decision up to my waitress. I'm going to ask her which one I should do. That's the one we're going to order. Here it is, the Boston cream pie that I've heard so much about. Literally going to try it right now. Alright, proof I'm eating this. Proof I'm eating this. That's really good. That is really, really good. Very rich. I'm not gonna eat this whole thing. That's really good. It's right out of lunch and right into the start of the parade. So I guess we're gonna catch a little bit of this again before we can cross to our 7 Doors Fast Pass. I'm not mad about it. I can watch the parade every day, so not as good of a view as yesterday, but still pretty great to watch.